Hola amigos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Hola amigos, yo soy Nati, I'm Nati, y bienvenidos a mi canal, and welcome to my channel. I post Spanish videos for kids. I post Spanish lesson videos for kids and other I post Spanish lesson videos for kids and other educational videos every Friday, except for when I don't. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, hoy vamos a hablar sobre la familia. Now we're going to talk about the family. So, I made this picture right here, and it's an example of a family tree. Everybody's family looks a little bit different. My family looks different than this, but this is going to help us learn the family members in Spanish, okay? So remember to repeat the words after me so that you can learn them in Spanish. We're going to start at the top, the little blue guy with the beard. That is the grandpa of the family. Okay, and grandpa in Spanish is abuelo. Okay, and the lady next to him is the grandma of the family, and grandma in Spanish is abuela. They sound really similar, right? That's so easy. Abuelo, grandpa. Abuela, grandma. Abuelo, abuela. And when you want to talk about your grandparents, so both grandma and grandpa together, you say abuelos. Abuelos. Muy bien. Okay, now we're going to look at mom and dad of the family, okay? So we say dad, so dad in Spanish is papá. Papá. And if you remember last week when we talked about vegetables, papá is a potato, but papá is dad. That's a little confusing, right? But it's okay. Papá, and then mom in Spanish is mamá. That's pretty easy, right? Papá, dad, mamá, mom. Papá y mamá. Papá y mamá. Dad and mom. And if you want to talk about your parents, so mom and dad together, you say papás. Papás. Muy bien. Okay. So, and then in this little family, there's a brother and there's a sister, okay? So the brother of this little girl who's circled in this picture, brother in Spanish is hermano. Hermano. Okay, can you guess what sister might be? Good job, that's a good guess. Hermana is sister, okay? Hermano, brother. Hermana, sister. And if you want to say siblings, then you just say hermanos, okay? So what if you had two brothers? You could say, yo tengo dos hermanos. Good job. And if you have four siblings, you could say, tengo cuatro hermanos, okay? Good. All right, now we're going to talk about the aunt and the uncle in the picture. The uncle is the little purple guy, and the aunt is the yellow lady, okay? Now, uncle is tío, and aunt is tía. Tío and tía. If you want to talk about the uncle and the aunt together, we say tíos. Muy bien. Okay, so the tío and the tía in this picture have a son, and that son would be the little girl's cousin, okay? And cousin is primo. Primo. Okay, muy bien. And if there was a girl cousin, it would be prima. And if you want to talk about a girl cousin and a boy cousin or lots of cousins together, we say primos. Primos. Muy bien. And those are all the family members we're going to talk about today. And I am going to show Avery her family, and we're going to talk about her family members. So come on and let's teach her about family in Spanish.
Okay, Avery, esta es una foto de nuestra boda. This is a picture of our wedding. Y te voy a enseñar tu familia. I'm going to show you your family. Primero vamos a empezar con tus papás. Aquí está tu mamá y tu papá. ¡Qué guapo! How handsome. Aquí está tu abuela. ¿Ok? Y tu abuelo. ¿Ok? ¿Qué te parece? Should we keep going? Ok. Aquí está tu tía. Otra tía, another aunt. Y tu primo, your little cousin. He was a baby here. Aquí está tu tío. Bisabuelo, great grandfather. Bisabuela, great grandmother. Tío abuelo, great uncle. Y otro bisabuelo, another great grandpa. Ok, vamos a ir acá. Aquí está abuela, abuelo, tía, tío, prima, primo, bisabuela, tía abuela, great aunt, y tío abuelo, great uncle. Okay, did you get it? Do you know all your family members in Spanish now? What is on your face? Did you eat a pear? ¡Qué bonita familia! What a beautiful family!
Okay, thank you for helping me teach Avery about her familia. Okay, now we're gonna switch gears and we're gonna start talking about las emociones, which is emotions. What is Addie doing? Addie, don't eat your bed. Stop eating your bed. Stop it. What are you doing? Stop. Okay, we're gonna be talking about las emociones, the emotions. Okay, so I made a little picture here with these little emojis, and we are going to talk about these, are there seven emotions. Okay, so the first one is happy. Happy in Spanish is feliz. Feliz. Can you give me your best feliz face? Muy bien. The next one we're going to talk about is sad. Triste. Triste. Okay, next one is mad. Enojado.
Enojado.
So this one's a little tricky. If you're a boy, you'd say, estoy enojado, I'm mad. But if you're a girl, you'd say, estoy enojada, I'm mad. Okay? All right, the next one is confused. Confundido. Confundido. Muy bien. If you're a girl, you'd say, estoy confundida. And if you're a boy, you'd say, estoy confundido. Muy bien. All right, next one. Scared. Asustado. Estoy asustada. Muy bien. The next one is surprised. Sorprendido. Estoy sorprendida. That's a hard one. Can you say sorprendido? Sorprendido. Good job. And the last one, serious, is serio. Estoy seria. Give me your best serio face. Muy bien. Good job. Now we're going to go practice these emotions. I'm going to ask you how someone is feeling, and you're going to tell me in Spanish which emotion they are showing. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, ¿Cómo se siente? How are they feeling? And you're going to say, está sorprendido. He's surprised. Or está feliz. He's happy or she's happy. Okay? So I'm going to say, ¿Cómo se siente? how does he feel? And you're gonna say, está, and then put the emotion after, está.
Addie. Addie. Let's go back. Ok. ¿Cómo se siente Addie? Addie. ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Ves su cola? Do you see her tail? It's wagging. Addie, ¿estás feliz? O tal vez está seria. Está seria. Oye, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Trabajando.
And what does that mean?
I'm working.
Oh, okay. ¿Cómo se siente?
Asustado.
Oye, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Comiendo.
What does that mean?
Eating.
Oh.
I'm hungry. What's in this? Is this good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Why?
¿Cómo se siente?
Enojado.
¿Cómo se siente Avery? Muy bien. Avery está feliz.